Hey guys, Chop here. I know it's been a while, but I have something revolutionary to show you in the meme coin game. So everyone knows that when looking for meme coins that have volume, that can potentially grow, hit millions, it's best to join an alpha group, right? So you can go join Potion, Pastel, Shocked, whatever it is. But what if I could show you an extension that actually finds these coins for you within these groups, within their alpha chats? So example, this coin on the screen called Brain was found using this extension. It's for Chrome, so make sure you have Chrome. And yeah, let's get into it. So the extension is called Uxento or Uxento. As you see, there's a CA tracker, Streamflow lock, Truth tracker, which is Donald Trump's platform, and TG tracker. What you do is you go into settings and you select the groups that you want to find, that you want to show coins for, that are being talked about within the group. So when you go back, you'll see that the CA tracker has these active filters. I select the Potion, Shocked, Tag, Pastel, Yogurt, and DigiWorld. And as I'm talking to you, the coins being talked about in these groups are being populated on this CA tracker. Gives you the CA, the market cap, and what group it's been mentioned in. The extension cross references across the groups that you selected. So example, it's been talked about twice in Shocked. It's been it's shown up twice in Shocked in the alpha chat. This coin has been once in Yogurt, this coin twice in Potion, and this coin twice in Shocked. Example, this one here, BBQ coin, twice in Potion, twice in Tag, twice Pastel, once in Shocked. And then these coins have different rankings. So if a coin just pops up and it doesn't really have much virality of behind it in these groups, it will just show up token. But if the coin has a lot of volume of movement, it'll show up as gold, and semi in the middle would be silver. As you see, the coins are moving. Put on a 5-second chart. See BQC coin. Because of the extension, it shows you within Axiom the groups that it's being shared within. Now that I've shown you the extension, I'm going to show you how to download it. I'll leave the link to the Discord in the description. Look for Uxento, however you say it, Uxento. You'll go to Discord, you'll verify, and then you'll download the latest version. So now we're on the Discord. Link is in the description. Click it, go to the Discord, join it, verify, etc. So you'll go to downloads. As you see here, downloads. So the creator of the extension will release his news updates of the extension. On here you can download it. Just click it, continue to download. It'll automatically download in the browser that you have is your main browser. If you also want to get updates on when a new version is out, just join Neonomics. I'll have the link in the description. So yeah, you'll click it, you'll download it, it'll automatically download, and then from there you're going to go to your extensions on Chrome. There's a little puzzle piece icon in the top right corner next to your profile icon. Go down to manage extensions at the bottom. I'm going to remove this so I can show you exactly step by step. I'm going to remove it. In the top right corner of your Chrome extensions tab, there's a thing that says dev mode. You'll click it to enable it. It'll show you these three buttons. Click load unpacked. After you download Uxento, you'll see extension update 2, which is the most recent one. That's zipped. They'll have a zipper on the folder. Right click on it and click extract all. It'll create a unzipped folder, which is a regular folder. Open it. The folder's name should be Uxento update 2. Open it, and the folder within it is this one. You'll click select folder and it'll automatically upload it, install it, and then open up the dashboard. Go to settings. You can set the extension to like preferences. For example, if you want a theme, so like let's say we go original, right? So we'll go to axiom, we'll reload it. It takes axiom back to the original theme. If you want to use blush, you click it, go back to axiom, you go reload, and it'll change it to this like Tron looking theme. So you'll go down to open Uxento, like the dashboard, go open vision, and it'll take you to the Uxento vision. So this is like a pulse. From here, you go to settings, and then you'll select the groups that you want to get alpha from, the alpha CAs. And you just click that. You'll have to redo it every time you open the extension. Just click update. Settings have updated. Your filters have been updated, and now you literally just wait. Put in your second. See, as soon as it happened, as I'm talking. It's been talked about in Potion. It's been the contract's been pasted in the alpha chat. It's probably been scanned, and like Rick or Bagetsu bot has popped it up. The information about the coin. Click it, and there you go. And on a 1 second chart, it's showing you, and you can check to see it. It's been 25% holders. So now that you open the coin, I just have to enable Uxento. Sorry, I have to put it on my main. Oh yeah, make sure when you install this, go back to the puzzle piece icon and make sure you pin it into your Chrome header in the plugins section. So once you have it, you click it, and as you see, smiley face. The contract is right here. It says smiley face above it. You can check the bundle check, or it'll check the bundle for you. There you go. It shows it's been bundled, etc. Bundle 1, 5.66%, 100% bundled, which is remaining. But the bundle sell off, it'll decrease the bar. Now go back to main page. You can check the Twitter, check the history. Past username was mail online 3 years ago. Domain check is 29 years old because Daily Mail is a news news site. And then put down here, you can see Dex check, Dex screener. I'll take you to Dex screener. Shows you it on Dex screener. So far, there's no banner, meaning Dex has not been paid. Go back to Uxento. You can check the Dex. Dex has not been paid, and then you can go to the pump.fun dev profile. You can see the coins that he's holding, the coins created. See if he has dumped on people, stuff like that in the past. So that way you can avoid this guy if you want. One cool thing about Axiom is, like, example, this coin, right? So if we went back to Axiom, let's see, smiley F, take the contract address, copy it right there, paste it in here, paste, it's gonna pop up, right? Okay, smiley face, go to pulse, search, let's see. Okay, instead of me finding it, so let's say smiley face pops up on here. If it does seem like a scam, you can just click this hide token icon. So the next time you see like secret X, which I do not want to do that, but okay, let's say troll T, right? I clicked it, hide from false, reload. Look at that, troll T is nowhere to be found. So if you like this, if you like what you see, click the link below. I'm not making money off of this, I'm just vouching for it. My next video will be probably strategy, or I might live stream. If you guys want to watch me live stream and trade with me, give me a like, leave a comment, subscribe. See you guys later.